This video is in continuation to the previous video made on the topic living a happy married life. In today's world you have google.com, all your queries are 99.5% solved by google.com, then why gossip and waste your precious time with gossiping? Instead you could have used this precious time with your family, with your children, with your parents and all those who you love and enjoy being with. Gossiping and chatting leads to nothing. It will only give you a stressful and painful life. Moreover, by gossiping about a certain individual you are not only demoralizing the individual's character, image, reputation, dignity, or integrity of the person, you are also telling the person with whom you are gossiping about the category to which you belong. My dear friends, it's when things go hard in life that such gossiping takes place. Avoid gossiping, my dear friends, and make life easy and happy. A person wanting to get married, whether it be love marriage or arranged marriage, the first question that comes in mind of the person is about the family background. Many a times the parents of the bride and bridegroom have this question in mind about the family background, but after their marriage the bride and bridegroom forget about their families and start living in a separate apartment. Their family background becomes only a background scene. My dear friends, what would each of their parents want to know about the fellow parents' family background, and is it important for a love marriage or is it important for an arranged marriage? Is it important for the future of the couple who is going to get married? My dear friends, I leave this question to be answered by your good self. You are the best judge of your personal life. Knowing about a personal life of a particular person in question opens a channel, or should I say a tunnel, for gossip. My dear friends, it is said that there is always a light at the other end of a tunnel, but in this case the gossip continues and you will only see the light at the other end of the tunnel when the gossiper or the gossip vanishes. The next question that comes into the parent's mind is, how much is the income of the family of the opposite sex? My dear friends, after the marriage takes place the family disappears and a new family starts with the bride and the bridegroom taking a new house to shift into. There are a bunch of questions that come into the parent's mind at the time of interviewing the family of the opposite sex, with whom their son or daughter is going to get married to. One of the most common questions that come into the parent's mind when having their children married is whether the couple will make a lifelong commitment. My dear friends, I leave this answer to your good self, and I know you will make and give a reasonable answer. Integrity, generosity, kindness, and loyalty are what one sees at the time of getting married. A middle-class person may or not go with the looks, taste, or fashion, unique personality, traits, gifts, or talents. Passions, dreams and aspirations would be another cause for the couple coming together. Another question that arises: does a man value honesty, commitment, generosity, and sacrifice? What are the hopes, passions, and dreams that come alive between the couple after marriage, and where were such hopes, passions and dreams before the couple got married? People hate that which they don't understand. Evil abounds in this world, and some people just want to see the world burn. If people despise what you are saying, as long as it is in line with the teachings of the Almighty, you can be assured by the Almighty that you are on the right path. Know that when evil is attacking you, you are a force of good. Lead yourself to a successful life and a more positive person, by giving respect to each other. Love each other as you will love yourself. Marriages have always continued on a happy note when you keep your wife always on the right. An old saying says, behind every successful man is a woman, so to be successful, do keep your wife always on the right. My dear friends, please do press the like or unlike button to show me your approval.